Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this deep dive into Apache Ranger. Ranger is an open-source framework that enables organizations to centrally manage and enforce data security policies across a wide range of big data platforms, including HDFS, Hive, HBase, Kafka, and more. It provides fine-grained access control, centralized policy management, and robust auditing capabilities. Ranger is especially critical in regulated environments where compliance with standards like GDPR, HIPAA, or SOX is required. By integrating with identity providers like LDAP and Kerberos, Ranger ensures that security policies are consistent and manageable at scale. In today's data-driven world, securing access to data across distributed systems is not optional, it's essential. Apache Ranger solves this by offering a unified way to manage security across different big data services. Whether it's restricting access to sensitive Hive tables or auditing Kafka topic consumption, Ranger ensures that only authorized users and services can access data. It supports both role-based and attribute-based access control models, making it flexible for complex enterprise environments. And with its audit capabilities, organizations can meet compliance requirements with confidence. Apache Ranger's architecture is composed of four main components. First is the Ranger admin, which provides a web UI and REST API for managing policies and users. Then there are the Ranger plugins, lightweight agents deployed with each supported service to enforce access control in real time. The user sync component synchronizes users and groups from external identity providers like LDAP or Active Directory. And finally, the audit component collects and stores logs of all access requests, enabling compliance and forensic analysis. At the heart of Apache Ranger is the Ranger Admin Service. This is where all policies are created, edited, and managed. It provides a clean, web-based interface for administrators to define access rules, manage users and groups, and view audit reports. Ranger Admin also exposes REST APIs, making it easy to integrate with CI/CD pipelines or automate policy updates. This centralization is what makes Ranger so powerful, one place to govern access across your entire data ecosystem. Ranger plugins are lightweight agents that sit alongside each supported data service. These plugins intercept every access request and evaluate it against policies stored in Ranger Admin. To ensure low latency, plugins cache policies locally, reducing the need for constant communication with the central server. Plugins are available for a wide variety of services, including HDFS, Hive, HBase, Kafka, Spark, and more. This plugin architecture allows Ranger to scale and enforce policies consistently across diverse platforms. Ranger's user sync component ensures that Ranger is always in sync with your enterprise identity systems. It supports syncing users and groups from LDAP, Active Directory, and even Unix systems. You can configure full or incremental syncs depending on your needs. This integration eliminates the need to manually manage users in Ranger, reducing administrative overhead and ensuring consistency across platforms. User Sync also supports mapping external users to Ranger roles, making access control more intuitive. The audit component in Ranger ensures that every access request is logged and stored. This is crucial for compliance, forensics, and monitoring. Ranger supports multiple backends for audit logs, including Solr for fast search, Elasticsearch for analytics, and HDFS for archival. These logs can be used to generate compliance reports or trigger alerts for suspicious activity. With Ranger Audit, you gain full visibility into who accessed what, when, and how. In Ranger, policies are the core mechanism for defining access control. You can create policies for specific resources, such as HDFS paths or Hive tables, and define fine-grained permissions like select, update, create, or drop. Ranger also supports row and column-level filtering in services like Hive, allowing you to restrict access to sensitive data even within a table. Policies can be attached to users, groups, or roles, making it easy to apply consistent rules across your organization. Ranger supports multiple access control models to suit different needs. Role-based access control, RBAC, lets you assign permissions to roles, which users can then inherit. Attribute-based access control, ABAC, allows policies to be defined based on user or resource attributes, offering more dynamic control. Tag-based policies, when integrated with Apache Atlas, let you apply security based on data classification tags. Ranger also supports conditional policies, where access is granted based on time, IP, or other contextual factors. One of Ranger's standout features is its ability to enforce fine-grained access in services like Apache Hive. With Ranger, you can define policies that filter data at the row or column level. For example, a policy might allow a user to see only rows where a specific column matches their department. You can also mask sensitive fields, such as SSNs or salaries, to protect PI. These capabilities are enforced by the Ranger Hive plugin, which integrates directly with Hive Server 2 to ensure real-time policy enforcement. Apache Kafka is widely used for streaming data, and Ranger provides robust security for Kafka environments. You can define ACLs for topics, consumer groups, and even individual partitions. Ranger supports wildcard and prefix-based topic matching, making it easy to apply policies to large sets of topics. All producer and consumer actions are audited, giving you full visibility into Kafka usage. Ranger integrates with Kafka's native ACL system, ensuring compatibility and seamless enforcement. Ranger's HDFS plugin allows you to define fine-grained access policies for files and directories. You can create policies for specific paths and choose whether they apply recursively to subdirectories. Ranger integrates with HDFS ACLs, giving you a unified way to manage access control. All read and write operations are audited, helping you track access and meet compliance requirements. This makes Ranger an essential tool for securing data stored in HDFS. When integrated with Apache Atlas, Ranger enables tag-based policies. This means you can classify data in Atlas using tags like PII or confidential, and then create Ranger policies that apply to all data with those tags. This approach automates policy enforcement and ensures that sensitive data is always protected, regardless of where it resides. It's a powerful way to scale security governance across your data landscape. Ranger integrates with enterprise-grade authentication systems to ensure secure access. It supports LDAP and Active Directory for user authentication, Kerberos for strong authentication, and SDML for single sign-on. Ranger also supports TLS encryption for secure communication between components. These integrations make Ranger suitable for enterprise environments where identity and access management are already established. When deploying Apache Ranger, there are a few key requirements to keep in mind. Ranger runs on Java 8 or later, and it typically uses MySQL or PostgreSQL for backend storage. For secure environments, Kerberos is recommended for authentication, and TLS should be enabled for encrypted communication. Ranger also supports high availability through active passive setups, ensuring that your security infrastructure remains resilient. Ranger is designed for enterprise-scale deployments. You can set up Ranger Admin in an active passive high availability configuration to avoid single points of failure. Plugins cache policies locally to ensure low latency enforcement. For audit logging, Ranger supports horizontal scaling through Solar Cloud or Elasticsearch clusters. This makes Ranger suitable for large, distributed environments with high throughput requirements. Ranger's REST API allows you to manage policies, users, and services programmatically. This makes it easy to automate security workflows, integrate with CI/CD pipelines, or synchronize policies with external systems. Policies can be defined and updated using JSON, making Ranger API-friendly and scriptable. Whether you're managing hundreds of policies or integrating with a data catalog, Ranger's API gives you the flexibility to automate your security operations. Compliance is a major use case for Apache Ranger. With its detailed audit logging, Ranger provides the visibility needed to meet regulatory requirements like GDPR, HIPAA, or SOX. You can generate reports directly from the Ranger UI or export audit data for further analysis. These capabilities make Ranger a key tool in your data governance and compliance strategy, helping you demonstrate accountability and control over sensitive data. Let's look at a real-world use case: GDPR compliance. In this scenario, a company uses Hive to store customer data, including personally identifiable information, PI. With Ranger, they can restrict access to PI columns to only authorized users. Ranger audits all access to these tables and masks sensitive fields for non-privileged users. Compliance reports can then be generated to show regulators that access is properly controlled and monitored. How does Ranger compare to other security tools? Unlike native ACLs, which are service-specific, Ranger provides centralized management across platforms. Compared to Apache Knox, which focuses on perimeter security, Ranger offers fine-grained access control within services. Sentry, another Hadoop security tool, lacks the audit and compliance features that Ranger provides. Ranger is also open source and extensible, making it a preferred choice for many enterprises. Let's take a closer look at the architecture of Apache Ranger. At the center is Ranger Admin, which manages policies and users. Plugins are deployed with each service to enforce access in real time. User sync bridges Ranger with identity providers like LDAP, and all access is audited and stored in scalable backends like Solar or Elasticsearch. This architecture enables centralized, scalable, and auditable security across your data ecosystem. Here's how Ranger enforces policies in real time. When a user requests access to a resource, the Ranger plugin intercepts the request. It checks the policy cache or queries Ranger Admin if needed. Based on the policy, access is either granted or denied, and the action is logged in the audit system. This workflow ensures that security is enforced consistently and efficiently across all services. Ranger's audit logs contain rich information about every access event. Each log entry includes the user, the resource accessed, the action performed, and the timestamp. It also records the policy ID that was evaluated and whether access was granted or denied. Additional context like client IP and session info is also captured. These logs are stored in scalable systems like Solar or Elasticsearch for fast search and analysis. Ranger is designed for performance and scalability. With policy caching and plugins, access decisions are made in milliseconds. Audit backends like Solar Cloud can handle millions of logs per day. Active-passive Ranger admin setups ensure high availability, and Ranger can manage thousands of policies without performance degradation. These metrics make Ranger suitable for enterprise-scale deployments. To get the most out of Ranger, follow these best practices. Use roles to group users and simplify policy assignment. Leverage tags for scalable data governance. Regularly audit and review policies to ensure they align with business needs. And automate policy updates using Ranger's REST API. These practices will help you maintain a secure and manageable data environment. When troubleshooting Ranger, start by checking plugin connectivity to Ranger Admin. Ensure that policies are being cached correctly and that TTL settings are appropriate. Review your audit backend configuration to ensure logs are being stored. And always verify that Kerberos and TLS are properly configured for secure communication. These steps will help you resolve most common issues. Integrating Ranger with Apache Atlas enhances your data governance capabilities. Atlas provides metadata and data classifications, which Ranger can use to create tag-based policies. This integration automates policy creation and ensures that sensitive data is always protected. Together, Ranger and Atlas provide a powerful platform for enterprise data governance. Apache Knox focuses on perimeter security, handling authentication and access at the gateway level. Ranger complements Knox by enforcing fine-grained access control within services. Together, they provide end-to-end security for your Hadoop ecosystem. Both support SSO and token-based authentication, making them a powerful duo for enterprise deployments. Ranger is well-suited for cloud environments. You can deploy Ranger on Kubernetes or virtual machines, integrate with cloud IAM systems like AWS IAM or Azure AD, and use cloud-native audit backends like Amazon Elasticsearch or Google Cloud Logging. Ranger supports hybrid and multi-cloud deployments, making it a flexible choice for modern data architectures. Ranger benefits from an active open-source community that contributes plugins, documentation, and support. Its extensible architecture allows you to build custom plugins for new services. There's a wealth of documentation and forums to help you get started. And for enterprise users, vendors like Cloudera and Hortonworks offer commercial support and enhancements. Looking ahead, Apache Ranger is evolving to meet the needs of modern data environments. Expect enhanced cloud-native support, a more intuitive UI, and deeper integration with AI and ML tools. Future versions may include policy automation and AI-driven audit analysis, helping organizations detect anomalies and enforce security at scale. Ready to dive deeper into Apache Ranger? Start with the official documentation, which provides comprehensive guides and API references. Join the community forums and mailing lists to connect with other users. There are also many YouTube tutorials and online courses available. And for hands-on experience, try Ranger in sandbox environments like Cloudera or Hortonworks. If you're looking to validate your Ranger skills, consider certifications like the Cloudera Certified Administrator or Hortonworks Security Specialist. There are also online courses on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. For immersive learning, attend hands-on workshops or boot camps focused on Hadoop security and Ranger administration. In an upcoming demo, we'll walk through creating a policy in Ranger Admin, testing access using a Ranger plugin, viewing audit logs in Solar, and automating policy updates with the REST API. This hands-on experience will solidify your understanding of how Ranger works in practice. When working with Ranger, avoid common pitfalls like overcomplicating policy structures, neglecting audit log management, or skipping performance tuning for plugins. Always test your integrations thoroughly and keep policies simple and maintainable. These practices will save you time and reduce security risks. To wrap up, Apache Ranger is a powerful tool for securing Hadoop ecosystems. It offers centralized policy management, fine-grained access control, and robust audit logging. Ranger integrates with LDAP, Kerberos, and Atlas, making it enterprise-ready. It's scalable, extensible, and open source, a must-have for any serious data security strategy. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Ranger. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more technical deep dives. Drop a comment below with your Ranger use cases or questions. And don't forget to share this with your data engineering team. Security is everyone's responsibility. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.